how to share apps on WhatsApp. So if you want to share apps on your WhatsApp, or if you want to send apps on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you just need to simply select tap and hold on to that application, and here you may have a send option or share option in some Android devices, and you just need to tap on share and you will be able to share. So that's the first step. But if you're not being able to share, or if you don't have the share or send option, then what you can do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked, open up your Play Store, go for the search and search for an application that you would like to send. So for example, if I want to send Messenger application, you just need to search for Messenger, and here you will have your Messenger, right? So what you need to do is simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and from here you will have the share option. Tap on share and choose the WhatsApp and simply send it to your WhatsApp friends. So that's the second way. But if you don't have this also, or if you're not satisfied with this option, then the last and only option is to install a third-party application. So if you install a third-party application, then you will be able to share the apps on your WhatsApp. But instead of that, these are the two ways to share the apps on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.